This is Abdullah Kashmula, class CIS220, Object-Oriented Programming, and this is the first video for the final project. First, I'm going to go through some of the packages before going into the menu. So the first one is the drive letter. What is going to get me is the path, only the drive letter, rather than the whole path, because the rest of the path is always fixed. I'm not going to be changing it, so it would be easier to use this one rather than getting the whole path. Next thing is the wheel menu, and this is in the error message handler package. It's more like the feedback package rather than the error. I created and went along with it. It was supposed to be only showing error, but then I saw that I'm able to do more by providing feedback to the user. Feedback like when I create a wheel, it would say that wheel was created, and the text file, in case it was not created, it's going to say invalid input. The wheels has to be a number, and we cannot input letters or anything else when it comes to creating a wheel. So if it's a letter then or not numbers, then it's not going to create the wheel. Also, this is all the messages for the wheel menu. In case if I select a wheel that does not exist, it's going to say wheel not exist, because I'm saving all the wheels one at a time. And for example, this is an example current wheels, and I have a file that saves the current created wheels. So in case the user selects something that does not exist, it's going to say not exist. And the reason why I also use this is it's going to be helpful when it comes to deleting the wheels, because I don't have to delete a big range and have to run over files that does not exist or anything like that. And for the feedback or the error message menu, I only have one file, and this is like in every menu, whatever written in here is going to be displayed. Now going back to the text files, let's go back. So yes, in case the wheel does not exist, it's going to show a message that is not existed or not created. And selecting wheel also will give a feedback that I selected this wheel and put it in that position. And also when creating a new plugboard and reflector, is going to show a message that plugboard and reflector were created. These are the messages for erasing the data, like in case, like for example, if I erase the input file, the output file, all the wheels, configuration, plugboard, reflector, and all files. Whenever I do anything in that menu, is going to show. It would be best if I run the program on the side just to show the kind of errors. Okay, for example, erase menu number 7, and let's erase, for example, all configurations. Actually, output is going to show an output right over here, and that is available on all menus. And this is the feedback. As I said in the beginning, I created for error, but then I thought feedback would be better. To the next one, the general is like invalid selection. That's in case of selecting from the menu and it's not correct. And this is just to read the file or delete the whatever in that file. Because I have different things in that file, so I have to read the file all the time or delete whatever contents when correct selection is made. This is in the plugboard, and this is just to get the keys for the plugboard. I modified the previous one to get the plugboard keys and return a plugboard dictionary. And what it's going to do is that it's going to read this text file, plugboard, and all my files are like that, a key and what it is going to be changed to, and so on. And all my files are like that, stored like that, so that I can use the same reading method.